Hey makers, this is Dhruvin, and in this episode I'm going to talk about themes in the Power BI. So far we talked about the different thing in the Power BI, from modeling to designing our Power BI report to adding the different visualization on our Power BI report. Now, for consistent look and feel, many times at the industry level, we need to implement some sort of theme on our Power BI report. So theme is something which is providing you the consistent UI structure across the different report. So if you create a theme for your organization once, and let's say if you want to apply that to your multiple Power BI report, you can easily be able to apply that out. So now let's explore out these features in detail with me. But before that, if you haven't followed me in my Twitter and Instagram so far, do follow me. So without further delay, let's get started. So here I am on my Power BI report, and this is the report that I do have over here on my screen. Now let's say for an example, I want to apply some sort of theme for this Power BI report. Then how can I do that out? For that, go to the view option available over here into your Power BI report. As soon as you go over there, you will be able to see this section over here. And this section is something which is responsible for theme section. This section is similarly inspired from Microsoft PowerPoint. If you open the PowerPoint and if you just similar way go to the different theming option, PowerPoint also offer you to create the slide into different theme. Same way over here as well, there are so many out of the box themes available for yourself. When you open this box out, you can see currently the first section is showing you that okay, which theme is applied into this particular report. Apart from that, it is showing you some other themes as well available for this particular report. Now you can pick up any particular theme and changing the layout of your themes over here. Let's say for an example, over here I'm just selecting one of the theme from here. As soon as you change the theme, you can see that it completely changed over here, the look and feel over there for myself. You can pick up any other theme as well if you want from here, and when you change it out, the colors are changing over here like this. Alright, and if you just wanted to go back, you can just go to your default theme and just open up your default theme like this. Alright, but now the question arises in our mind that okay Dhruvin, these are the different themes available, but my organization's color standards are little bit different. Any one of this template is not fit perfectly for myself. So in that case, how can I create my own custom theme inside the world of Power BI? Let's look at that out. Okay, but before that, we will take out some other options as well inside the theme. Okay, so the first option is from this theme, you can pick up any appropriate theme which you like and simply apply it into your Power BI report. Second option here is you can upload your own custom theme as well. So theme is nothing but behind the scene, it's a JSON file. Okay, and there are different ways to create the themes for your organization. Okay, right now, let's say if you are having any ready-made themes for your organization, you can download it out and simply import it out. Okay, I will show you that option as well, so you will get a better understanding around that. Okay, apart from that, you have one more option called theme gallery. If you click on that option, basically it is opening you one browser layout, and basically it will redirecting you to the official Fabric community page over here. Here, different community people has developed different theme over here. You can look at the different reports over here for yourself. Okay. Now let's say for an example, if you just clicking on any report over here, you can see the preview for that particular report over here. Okay. Like over here, you can see that this is Windows 98 style and this is how it looks like, right? Now, let's say for an example, here there is ready-made code for the JSON file also available for yourself. You can simply download this JSON file from this community one. And if you just open that up, that JSON file over here for yourself, let me just open it for you into my Notepad++ over here. And let's see how that JSON file looks like over here. So let me just open that up. And this is how that JSON file looks like. In JSON file, if you look at this particular JSON, you can see the theme name and there are different data colors and different stuff has been provided over here. Alright, you can also generate the theme via ChatGPT as well if you want, but what I'm doing here is I just downloaded this ready-made theme. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to import that theme into my report. So just click on browse for themes, and let's upload the one that we just downloaded over here. So old color theme that we have downloaded, let's just apply it over here, and let's see what kind of layout it is creating for me. And that is imported successfully, and this is how you can see that it's slightly changed over here. And right now, even if you hover over it, you can read the current theme name over as well, that your current theme is your old theme, and this is how it looks like over here. Okay, from the public internet, that theme gallery that we just opened it up, you can download some other themes as well and try it out if you want to have it for yourself. So many different themes available over here. You just open up any appropriate report from here and see what kind of theme you want. So let's say over here, this is performance comparison, and this is how the theme looks like. Okay, if you download this particular theme, okay, let me just download it out over here, and let's try this one as well. So I'm just clicking on download button, and it just downloaded that for me. And now let me just first open that file into Notepad and see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. And now let me just upload that theme file over here. So if you upload this over here, browse for themes, and just open this up over here, it just showing you like this. You can see a little bit change over here inside your report like this, right? So this is how you can simply download the themes from the internet and apply it over here. So far we talked about two methods over here: out of the box themes as well as your theme gallery, and you can just upload it from there. Okay, but what if you want to customize, or you want to create your own custom theme for your Power BI report? So there is an option available over here called customize current theme. Okay, so let me do one thing over here. So let me just apply the default theme over here, and now let me do one thing. Click on customize current theme, and as soon as you do that, you can see it just open up this kind of pop-up. Now over here, you just need to define that, okay, what kind of theme you want to create for yourself. Over here into this theme option, there are multiple options available. You can define your name and colors. So first of all, provide the name of your theme. So let's say I'm just providing over here that Power Platform Trainings. Okay, I'm just providing my company name over here, powerplatformtrainings.com theme. Okay, and now over here I am having the I can provide any theme color which I like. So let's say I just provide my primary color as this one. Okay, this kind of cyan color. I'm just keeping other colors as is, but if you want to change, you can change it out. You can just play around with these colors. Okay, and now go to the advanced option, and over here you can just also provide that, okay, what your first level element color will be, what's your second level element color will be, third level element color will be. And if you want to know more about it, just click on this learn more option. Basically it will just redirecting you to this kind of official documentation of Microsoft. From that as well, you can just cover up that. Okay, so what are these first level element, second level element? That's something you can simply read out from the advanced option. So basically first level means, whatever you can able to see, like this kind of title and all are considered as a first level element. Okay, what color you want to apply there, you just need to mention it over here. Okay, then what kind of text you want to apply for yourself. If you have any specific requirement for specific font, you can just choose the appropriate font from here. Okay, for title, any specific font and size if you want to apply, cards and KPI, tab headers. Okay, for visualization background if you want to apply, border if you want to apply something, tooltip if you want to apply something. Okay, so many things you can or for for your filter pen, if you want to define any color, you can just make it over here that, okay, filter pen should be light kind of this color. Okay, and once you are done with that, click on apply, and as soon as you apply that, your things are reflecting over here. So you see that I changed the font, so I can see the change in my font over here. My filter pen color also been changed over here. My primary color is also changed to this kind of cyan color. My first element is still the same because there I did not make any changes over there. Okay. But this is how simply the theme is being applied for yourself. Okay, you can play around that. It's fairly simple. It's just a matter that just click on this or let's say if you want to edit that again, just click on customize the current theme option available again, and just play around the different colors. So let's say first level you want to make that at the red color, so just apply that out and see wherever the first level colors are applied. So you can see that this kind of table headers and these are converted into this kind of thing, and it just apply over there here. Okay, now you can just click on customize theme again, and if you just want to revert it back, you can change it out again if you want over here. All right, and just click on apply, and this is how it looks like now. All right, also let's say for an example, if you want to export this theme, and let's say if you just wanted to use it into some other Power BI report, then maybe you just have an option save current theme. Click on that. As soon as you click on that, it just providing an option that okay, provide your theme name over here. So I'm just providing over here like Power Platform Trainings theme. Okay, and click on save. And as soon as you do that, basically it will save that theme into your documents. And now let's say if I'm opening that up into my notepad, it will opening up this kind of similar JSON structure for you, and probably the same theme you can import it into some other Power BI report as well for yourself. Okay, so this is all about the theme. It's pretty much about like you just need to utilize the different color theme from here, and just need to design your beautiful report. Now here I'm going to give you one more homework, and that is an interesting exercise as well. What you need to do is, based on your knowledge or based on your imagination, create some beautiful theme. Okay, once you create that theme, apply into your Power BI report, and once you apply it out, take a screenshot of your report and just upload on the LinkedIn, and maybe just tag my account and show me what kind of theme you are creating for yourself. I'm not very good at designing, honestly, because designing is not my cup of tea. Obviously, like I'm using different tools to make the design better, but yeah, I just wanted to know from you guys as well that what do you think about the Power BI report themes, and I really wanted to see it from you guys that what kind of innovation you are creating with this kind of themes over there for yourself. Okay, so do this in the homework. Create the report, upload, take a screenshot, upload on the LinkedIn, and just tag myself. I really wanted to see what kind of report you are building for yourself. Alright, so that's pretty much it, what I wanted to talk about, at least for today's class. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. And if you are looking for any premium or live training underneath my powerplatformtrainings.com. The website link is available in the description box. Check out the latest dates from our website or connect us from the contact information provided in the description box. With that note, this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session with some amazing content. Till then, have a great day. Goodbye.